Hello kids, hope you are all doing fine. Today we'll be seeing the next chapter, a new chapter in Maths, chapter 9, measurement, right? So when you take measurement, you measure length, you measure weight, you measure capacity. Okay, so measurement, what all we measure? We measure the length, we measure mass or the weight, and then we measure capacity. So today we will be learning measurement of length and also conversion of the length units, right? So today's session we will be learning about measurement of length. Okay, so now to measure length we use standard units like centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay, so for measuring length we use the standard units like centimeter, meter and kilometer. Centimeter is considered to be the smallest unit for measurement of length, and then comes meter, and the bigger unit is kilometer. So where you measure the length in centimeter, where you measure it in meter and where you measure it in kilometer, we will see here. Where we will use this centimeter, see centimeter we use when you measure short length and also when you measure short height. Okay, short length in the sense when you are measuring a pencil. So when you say this is a pencil, so when you measure a pencil you will take a small scale. This we call it as a centimeter scale, because here you will find this scale you will have 15 centimeter. Okay, so when you are measuring short length you just use this scale. For example, when you measure the length of a pencil, a pen, rubber, which are all small things, we use a centimeter scale. Then short height. Suppose you are measuring the height of a table or the height of a chair, you use centimeter scale. Also your desk where you sit. So the desk, also height of the desk, when you measure you use a centimeter scale. Then we use a meter, that is when you measure long length. For example, the length of a room or the length of a car, when you measure you use a meter scale. Okay, you can't use a small scale, centimeter scale to measure long length. For that you will use meter scale. So you will be measuring, for example, the length of the car, it will be say 5 meter or 4 meter, depends. So, and short distance, suppose you are going from one room to the other, you will measure it in meter. Then long height, for example, the height of a tree, height of a building, you will measure it in meter, you won't measure it in centimeter, right? So when you are measuring long length, short distance or long height, that means how tall the tree or how tall your building, your apartment is, you measure it in meter. Then you measure long distance in kilometer. Suppose you are measuring the distance from Rajkot to Jamnagar, or from your house to say railway station, you measure it, the distance you measure it in kilometer. Say suppose the distance between your house and the railway station is 1 kilometer, so you say it as kilometer. The unit you use there is kilometer. When you say the how tall the tree is, you use meter. The tree is say 4 meter tall, like that, so you use meter, the unit meter. Here short heights, I told you the height of a desk or the height of your table and all, you measure it in centimeter. Now how you have understood where you are using centimeter, where you use meter, where you use kilometer, the units while measuring. Now we will see the conversion, how kilometer is converted to meter. You see 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? So when converting kilometer to meter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. For example, you want to convert 2 kilometer, then you will write 2 into 1000, and you will get 2000 meter. This meter also you should write. Okay, 2000 meter. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. How much will be 2 kilometer? This 2 into this 1000. So when you are converting kilometer to meter, you have to multiply that number with 1000. So you will get 2000 meter, right? Then here conversion of meter to centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter, what if you want to find 2 meter? Then you will have this 2. Again you have to multiply by 100, not 1000, it is 100. You will get 200 centimeter. You have to write the unit also, 200 centimeter, right? So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. This thing you will have to study by heart. So there is conversion problems. So you should know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So for example here again 5 meter. So how you will convert? 5 into 100, that is equal to 500 centimeter. Okay, here again one more I will give. For example 6 kilometer. Then you will write 6 into 1000. That will be 6000 meter. Okay. So with this we are ending, and then in the next session I will be taking for you the exercise. So till this I hope you all have understood. Thank you.